Sometimes.
I actually was filming.
What's the thing from Bohemian Rhapsody?
Is this the real life?
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide. Don't really know the lyrics of that
No escape from
song.
reality.
Hunter.
Shit. Oh, you're right. That is next.
Hunter.
Yeah, I gotta
tuck in my shirt.
Yeah.
He's like moonwalking with it. Look at
So
that.
you're talking about that one SpongeBob episode?
Yeah, I want.
Why the hell would you go for Amazon? Not like go on.
Scary skeletons are silly just the same. Something's. Thought it lost a play.
We'll see if this is a female or a male.
It's got a square or a triangular pelvis.
I think it's a male.